Hey, this is Derek Watley. In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can migrate a MediaWiki application running on an OpenShift 3.10 cluster over to an OpenShift 3.11 cluster using the OpenShift migration tool suite. The first thing we'll do is inspect our application running on our source cluster on OpenShift 3.10. We can see that the app is running, and in this case, it's backed by a static NFS persistent volume. We'll make a small edit to the main page here so that we'll be able to see evidence of a successful migration when this lands on the destination. The migration tools can migrate not only stateless apps but also stateful apps like this one from cluster to cluster. So we go back to the migration web UI and let's add a new plan, so a migration plan, and we're going to describe that we want to migrate the MediaWiki app that we just displayed from the 3.10 cluster to the host cluster using some Nuba S3 compatible storage. We'll select the MediaWiki namespace like you just saw, and then the migration controller is going to discover all of the persistent volumes involved. In this case, there's two PVCs for MediaWiki and MariaDB, and we can inspect on the 3.10 cluster in the top tmux pane that the PVCs exist there, just to verify what's going on. We can see those two same PVCs are there. We're going to move both of these, which means to create the same persistent volume definition on the destination side so that the destination cluster will reconnect to the exact same storage. We can click the Migrate button and confirm that action from the web UI, and the process of moving this application over to our destination cluster and shutting it down on the source cluster will begin. So if we just watch the pods that are running on each of the two clusters for a few moments here, we can see that the pods on the top cluster will start to terminate, and the web UI will reflect the progress there. When we go to the bottom tmux pane, after the restore starts, we'll actually see those pods start to run again, and there is a post hook that runs to rewrite the URL so that the new route works properly and the MediaWiki is internally set up with that new route. Once that finishes, we'll actually be able to get the new route that is on the destination cluster, and we'll be able to copy that to our clipboard so that we can navigate there and see that the migration was successful. If we refresh the original URL, we'll see that the app is down now. So our app has been quiesced on the source side, and when we navigate to the new route on the destination, the app is where we expect it to be.